Hi, good morning and welcome to another video. And due to absolutely no demand whatsoever, we're filming part 5. And part 5 is going to be the walk from Moira furnace, which we've been to before, and we're going to take the field route up to Hicks Lodge site, and we're going to take advantage of the ground being really frozen because I think it could be quite boggy.
It's quite a muddy field.
It's quite a muddy field, yeah. Really rather a nice lake. Not a lot of people see it because they just walk round Hicks Lodge and back to the car park. Well guys, the hot chocolate and cake were really nice, and we're really pleased this is
back up to standard.
Yeah, the cafe's back up and running now, so that's where we're going to leave today's walk. And how far is that, Carol?
It's only 2.5 miles.
2.5 miles, but it's not circular, and you can get back that way along the regular paths and go along paths that we've already shown you in previous videos. Right now we're going to carry on walking, and we're going to go to Ashby de la Zouch, and if there is anything interesting that we've not done before, we'll bring it on a future episode. Thanks a lot for watching, and ta-ta for now.